Okay, for the second part is about log equations. So the same question you want to solve for the x value. Okay, look at pattern by pattern or case by case. The first case is when you just change into the exponential form where you have only log one side. In this example, if you can see here, you have log only at your left hand side, but you doesn't have the log at your right hand side. So what can you do is, you just change this log form into the exponential form. So 5 plus x is actually equal to 4 power of 3. Make sure the base is the same. You have base 4 for the log function. You have base 4 also for the exponential function. Then you have linear only. So 5 plus x is equivalent to 4 cube is 64. So x is 59. Okay. So the most important part in log function is you have to show the checking method. Why checking method is compulsory? Because the log function, you have the limitation or restriction where the argument, let's say you have the general form of log is log base a x. So x here, which is your argument, is always more than 0. So you have to consider this one. So every time you have answer from the log equation, you must check whether this answer is the true answer, is the true solution. So we have two methods to check. The first method is, you just substitute your answer into the original question. So check whether you have the left side equivalent to the right hand side. So if you substitute x here with 59, so you have 59 plus 5 is 64. So you have log base 4, 64. Is it equal to the right hand side, which is 3? So 64, you know that 64 here, you can change in the form of 4 cube. Okay, 64 is equivalent to 4 cube. So log base 4, 4 cube is equivalent to 3. So you have equal number, equal value, left side and also right side. So you can conclude that x equal to 59 is a solution. Okay, first method. Second method, you just find the domain of the original question, where the domain of this one is what? Take only the argument. So this is your argument, which is 5 plus x. So 5 plus x is more than 0. So solve these linear inequalities. So you have x is more than negative 5. If you draw the number line, x is more than negative 5. Let's say this is your negative 5. So your number line is moving towards your right hand side. This is your domain, interval for domain, from negative 5 until infinity. So is it your answer for x here is fall within the domain? 59 is somewhere here. Somewhere at your right hand side here, 59. So since this value is within the domain, you can conclude that x equal to 59 is a solution. So just show one method, whether you want to choose the first one, left side equivalent to right side, or the domain. Okay, so every log question, the checking method is compulsory. Okay, look at example number 2. Case 2, where you have both side log with the same base. So you just can compare the argument. So case number 2 is, when you have log both side, so you just compare the argument. So argument for the left side is 4x minus 5. Argument for the right side is 2x plus 1. So you can have 4x minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 1. So solve this linear equation. You have x is equal to 3. Okay, straight away you get the answer for x. Okay, checking. Let's say we use the first method. Left side, is it equal to the right side? So substitute 3 into the question. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. So you have log base 6, 7. Is it equal to the right side? 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So you have log base 6, 7 also. So equal value left side and right side. So you can conclude that x equal to 3 is a solution. Okay, the next one. Okay, look at the pattern here. Log base 5 something equal to log base 5 11 plus log base 5 3. Okay. So if you notice, every term you have log, and then the right side you have the plus operation. So this one, just apply the properties first. Log something plus another log. So apply the properties where you have log base 5. So the argument will multiply, which is 11 times 3. Okay. So right now you have one log left side and one log right side. So just compare the argument. You are using case number 2, where you have log both sides. So just compare the argument. So the argument here is 2x plus 3 and also 11 times 3. So just take 2x plus 3 equal to 33. So solve for x, you have 15. Okay. So checking method. Let's say we are using the first method. So substitute whether the left side equivalent to the right side. So 15 into the question. 15 times 2 is 30 plus 3 is 33. So you have log base 5, 33. The right side, you have log 5, 11 times 3. So if you combine this one is 11 times 3, which is 33 also. So you have the equal value. That's why you can conclude that x equal to 15 is a solution. Okay. Example number 4. Solve log base 2x plus another log base 2x plus 2 is equal to 3. So this one you have only log one side. So just combine, you have log something plus another log something. So log 2 is equal to x times x plus 2. So combine these two. Let's say this is your u, this is your w. So the equation will be log base 2 uw equal to 3. So this one, if you can recall, this is case number 1 where you have only log one side. So just change into the exponential form. So what is the exponential form? X squared plus 2x is equal to base is 2 power of 3. So you will have the same base, which is this is the base of the of the log function. This is the base of the exponential function. Okay. Then you have the quadratic here. So what to do with this quadratic? Factor. You have x equal to -4 and x equal to 2. Okay. Check. Checking method. So how to check? Let's say we use the domain method. So you have two unknown here, which is two argument. The first one is x. The second one is x plus 2. So work on both part, which is x. The first one is x more than 0. The second one is x plus 2 more than 0. So this one, if you simplify, you have x is more than -2. So what happen if you have two things here? Combine this using one number line with the intersection symbol. So if you draw the number line, x is more than -2, moving to your right side. X is more than 0, also moving to your right hand side. So this is the double line area. So your answer will be x is more than 0. So among between these two answer, which one is more than 0? -4 is obviously fall outside the domain. So you have to reject this answer. X equal to 2 is within the domain. So your answer will be x equal to 2 is the only solution. Okay, look at next example. You have ln x plus 6 minus ln 10 equal to ln x minus 1 minus ln 2. So every time you have ln, apply also the same properties as log, because ln is log with the base of e. So ln minus ln is actually you can divide the argument. So this is your argument, x plus 6 and 10. So x plus 6 over by 10. The right hand side, x minus 1 and 2. So minus become divide, x minus 1 over by 2. So you have the same thing here, ln something equal to ln something. Or ln also we can write in the form of log base e. So you have the same base of the log. So you just compare the argument. So just take the argument here. So you have x plus 2 over 10 is equal to x minus 1 over by 2. So this one is linear. So just solve this linear equation. You have 2 brings to the other side, 10 bring to the right side. Then you have 2x plus 12 equal to 10x minus 10. Solve this one. At last you get x equal to 11 over by 4. Okay, how to check? Okay, let's say madam use the first method. The second method. Checking for the domain. So you have 2 unknown here, 2 argument. 10 and 2 ni you can ignore because this is constant only. So the first argument is x plus 6 more than 0. The second argument is x minus 1 more than 0. So solve these two. The first one is x more than negative 6. The second one is x more than 1. So combine these two answers in one number line by using the intersection symbol. Intersect means you choose only the double line area. So your domain will be x is more than 1. So is it 11 over 4 is more than 1? 11 over 4 is obviously more than 1. So if you don't know the value, just press your calculator. What is the answer for 11 over 4? So the value is somewhere here, 11 over by 4. Then you can conclude that x equal to 11 over 4 is a solution.